I don't want you to go. I'm really gonna miss you.
My princess, now me go miss you, Paso. It's just that I don't know as I want to tell you, making no be like say I the job. I go miss you. But I just got to go. I need to see my popsy, you know, saying nowhere.
I understand. Listen, I want you to have this.
No. My princess, no. No, your papa don't pay me salary now. They just give me salary. I get money.
It is for Paps's treatment.
No, my princess. I don't feel accept this.
No, don't do this. I insist you have it, okay? It's for your father's treatment. You wouldn't use your salary to take care of him. How much is it anyways? Just have this, okay?
My princess, please, God bless you.
Please.
I don't want to accept this thing, no.
No, you should. You need it. Dad needs it, okay? Alright.
Okay. Thank you.
Come here.
Princess.
Come on. Listen, no one is here, okay?
My princess, you know, see, you know, in my mind. It in my mind. Me, no officer, be weakly. Oh, my body didn't move me. It was just that. It was safe.
Listen, I don't want you to go.
Let's go. Let's just go.
Come here.
Yeah, princess, you're going to make me feel like new virgin. See, please, move, just go.
Oh God, I'm gonna miss you.
I will say lights. I will say lights. We just go off. Princess, I need to go now. Let's go.
Alright, I'll see you off.
Alright, thank you.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.